Good morning. Welcome to Prop Firm Dreams. Yesterday marked the second largest single day gain in NASDAQ history. The other two spots, 2001 and 2008. And if you're not old enough to remember, the 2001 was the dot-com bubble after the run-up in the 90s, and 2008 was the great financial crisis, the mortgage crisis. So will 2025 be the next one? Only time will tell. And today, CPI just dropped. It was a little less than expected. And honestly, that's one way to bring down inflation. You could just sort of crash the economy. Trump has escalated again with 145% tariffs on China now. And I feel bad for one of my former employers who imports a lot of material from China, just whole containers full of the stuff. And they are in quite a bind. It's like, what do you do? But you didn't come here to listen to my opinion on the tariffs. You came for the prop. And let me tell you about the state of prop firms. I was just talking to a trader friend at Dr. Deanna Cole. Check out our YouTube channel, Psychology of Trader, if you're not familiar. And I was just voicing my frustration with the whole prop firm model. I'm just so over it. Like, yeah, I'm doing well enough, but it's just the same old thing. It's like prop firms make it as hard as possible to get your money out, and in some cases are outright scams. And when it comes down to it, you're the prop firm's liability. If you're a profitable trader, they want to get rid of you as soon as possible, either by denying payouts or taking you to live and kind of sitting you on the shelf. But I don't really want to be the prop firm's liability. I want to work with a real team where our interests are aligned and there's room to grow, which is one of the reasons why I started this Raen evaluation, because I wanted to grow and work with a real prop firm. Whereas these online props, it seems more like you're trying to win a carnival game with all the hoops you have to jump through to get a payout. So, as the old African proverb goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And I'm not interested in 10K here, 20K there. I want to go far. All right, in other news, some traders have been exploiting the Euro futures overnight, and now I can't trade 6C. So I'm a mean reversion trader, and so my system works really well with treasuries, and it works well with Forex futures. But dang it, scammers keep ruining it for me. So I'm going to be trading ES and NQ like the rest of you. And lastly, GFF, Goat Funded Futures, which launched in the end of 2024, had a lot of problems, particularly with paying people out. They've been behind for months, but never fear, trader. They're finally catching up to their giant payout log. And now it is only taking 4 days to get paid from Goat Funded Futures, as opposed to the 4 minutes that it takes Tradeify to pay me. So, as you know, I highly recommend Tradeify. They're my number one pick at the moment, them and my funded futures. And if you haven't given them a try, there's a 40% off discount for new traders. Use code DREAMS. All right. Do me a favor, drop your man a like, and let's get to the charts. All right, it is just past the top of the hour at 9 o'clock Eastern. I'm a mean reversion trader. I use the Bollinger Bands. I take one trade a day, and I set it and forget it. So I am looking for price to be outside the top of the Bollinger Band, and then I'm looking for a mean reversion inside. So I'm looking for lower lows to get into this trade. Nothing yet. I took a look at ES, and that looks like a choppy mess. Not too interested in that right now, but we'll see what we'll get, and we'll check back in at 9:30. All right, we had another break-even day today, which I'm completely fine with. And all this volatility, if I can escape unscathed, that's completely fine with me. After this big drop this morning, we are at officially on 5% percentage change on NASDAQ, and we're getting close, or we would have been over here, down here on ES at some point as well today. So hopefully you guys are monitoring the percentage change for today, and hopefully you've stopped trading because the 2% rule that many of the props have, you're not allowed to be trading when it's greater than 5%. The difference being between 5% and 7% is the 2% rule. So right now, you shouldn't be trading NASDAQ, even though it does look like there could be a good short to the upside. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys all tomorrow as we close out the week, and hopefully we can end on a winning one. See you then. Peace.